Hello and welcome to the PayRules app tutorial series from Klinkode. You can hide, sort, or rename payment methods using PayRules. In this video, we will show you how to hide any payment methods for total order amount using the total amount condition in Shopify. Let's open the PayRules app. Click the Create Rule button. For this example, we will skip the Describe the rule you want to create box and use Search and Select Combination manually. Let's find the total amount condition. Then click on Select this combinations, where it exists. Now click on the Add a Condition button. Then scroll through the list and select Total Amount. In this condition, if less than means the rule will apply when the value is lower than the set amount, and if more than means the rule will apply when the value is higher than the set amount. Now we choose If More Than and set the amount $500. Here you can see two options. Before discount, the rule will work based on the cart total before the discount is applied. After discount, the rule will work based on the cart total after the discount is applied. We will select a before discount for this video. Now, you will see two options here. These options let you control which products the rule will apply to. All products. If you select this option, the rule will apply to all products in your store. You don't need to select any specific products, tags, or collections. When to use, when you want the same rule to apply to every product. Selected products. If you select this option, the rule will apply only to specific products you choose. After selecting this, you will see three filtering options. Products. Select individual products. Product tags. Apply the rule to products with specific tags. Collections. Apply the rule to products that belong to selected collections. Then we choose Selected Product, then choose Collections and add Bare Collection. Then set a name for the rule. Go to Add Payment Method and add the payment method you want to hide. For example, we will add Cash on Delivery and Alipay. Alipay payment method is not available in this list, so we will simply write the payment name manually like Alipay and click on Add Alipay option. This means the Cash on Delivery and Alipay will be hidden if the Bare Collection product is added to the cart and its total amount is more than $500 before the discount is applied. Now, click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, Cash on Delivery and Alipay is visible because the customer adds less than $500 items in their cart. Now let's add some items and make the total amount to more than $500 and check again. Yes, the Cash on Delivery and Alipay is not visible anymore. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!